Now, in the wake of mounting complaints from residents, the police say they will continue to clamp down on night noise in areas like New Kingston. On Friday night, the police, as well as representatives from the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, went on an operation. Curfew's gone and parties are back, but an old problem, night noise. Commanding officer for the St. Andrew Central Division, SSP Marlon Nesbeth, says he's received numerous complaints about noise in the New Kingston area and its environs.
And this has come to a head in recent times where it continues despite some efforts to lock off, to tone down music noise levels. But I think it has reached a stage where residents complaining particularly are fed up with what is still existing, and we have decided that enough is enough on their behalf. That is even to the extent that elected officials have been spoken to by the residents, the Commissioner of Police himself, and generally the local police also. So we have an appreciation of what they are feeling.
Not for the first time, the police are insisting that they will be enforcing the Noise Abatement Act.
But certainly we have certain watchdog groups to include our own police control system that will reach out to us to quickly address the concerns as they arise. And we'll be deploying police officers to effectively do that. And we have the resources around to be able to. And that also includes vehicles that are illegally parked, blocking up some residents' gates in some instances.
Over the years, residents of New Kingston have been complaining about the increased commercialization of the area. Some people have been granted permission to use their properties for commercial purposes, but here's the problem.
What is happening in New Kingston, however, is that permission has been granted and changes of use have been granted. However, permits have not been given for the hosting of events. So there are locations that are restaurants, approved as lounges, approved as bars, which means that there's the expectation of low background music. However, some of them have been converted to venues that are used for events. This is causing a problem amongst the citizens of New Kingston and its environs.
In the meantime, proprietor of Janga's Sound Bar and Grill, Ron Young, says the key is balance.
So our commitment is to meet with all of the bar owners in the area so that we can come together and ensure that as a group we abide by the Noise Abatement Act and ensure that more importantly, ensure that our neighbors are comfortable. We want to be able to operate our business, but we want our neighbors to be able to sleep at night, so that's what we're trying to do. We're getting new sound equipment to ensure that we stop any extra noise or noise bleeding, as I call it, to neighbors and so on. So it's directional speakers that can help to contain the noise within the venue.